Did you select your course and you don't know how to enroll? Let's see together how to do that with this short tutorial. Once you have selected your course, in the window on the right of the web page, you will find more information about it. In order to enroll, you have to select the product and the quantity you need. Then click to enroll. In this way, you can add the course to your cart. On the right top corner of the page, click on your shopping cart to see the content and click Go to the cash desk. In order to purchase, you have to insert your email and proceed. You will have to fill out the form with the required data. And click I accept the processing of personal data as described in privacy policy document. Click Continue. Now you will see the available payment methods: PayPal, bank transfer, postal transfer, etc. Click and choose the payment method. Once you've chosen the payment method, click Continue. You will read the order summary, so go to Buy on the bottom right of the page to complete your order. Now you have completed your order, so you will receive 3 emails, the first one of welcome, the second one with the registration of your order, and the last one that confirms the receipt and contains the training voucher. Once you have filled in all details, send it to icotea@icotea.it with a copy of the registration fee. Once you are officially registered, Icotea will send you an email with the registration procedure, deadlines and access key in order to grant access to your lessons available in the section e-learning on the top right corner of the website. Enjoy your study!